Welcome to our guide on achieving writing success in the IELTS exam. In this video, we'll introduce the formats for Task 1 and Task 2, break down the key criteria including fluency, vocabulary, and grammar, and offer sample essays with analysis to help you excel in this important section of the exam. The IELTS writing section consists of two tasks. Task 1 requires you to describe visual information such as graphs, charts, or diagrams, while Task 2 involves writing an essay in response to a prompt. Understand the specific requirements and structure of each task to effectively fulfill the writing criteria. Your writing in the IELTS exam is assessed based on several key criteria. Fluency refers to the ability to express ideas smoothly and coherently. Vocabulary involves using a wide range of words accurately and appropriately. Grammar entails using correct grammar and sentence structures. Understanding these criteria is essential for achieving a high score. Let's analyze sample essays to understand how to apply the key criteria effectively. Pay attention to the organization of ideas, the use of varied vocabulary and grammatical structures, and the overall coherence and cohesion of the essays. Note how the writers address the prompts and support their arguments with relevant examples. In addition to these strategies, here are some extra tips for success. Practice writing regularly to improve your skills and develop your own writing style. Seek feedback from teachers or peers to identify areas for improvement and refine your writing techniques. By understanding the formats for Task 1 and Task 2, mastering key criteria such as fluency, vocabulary, and grammar, and analyzing sample essays, you'll build the skills and confidence needed to excel in the IELTS writing section. Remember, consistent practice and focused preparation are key to success. Best of luck on your IELTS journey.